Hello everyone, so today we're going to look at using the completing the square method to solve a quadratic equation. So we should now be really fluent with how to complete the square. So let's complete the square for x squared plus 2x minus 2. So as we know, quadratic expression always in this format, ax squared plus bx plus c. So we know a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, and c is equals to minus 2. So step 1, we always remember completing the square and always looking something like this. Then we half b value, so half of b is plus 1. Then we subtract half of b squared, which is minus 1, then minus 2 equals 0. So we can simplify it. X plus 1 squared minus 3 is equals to 0. So now we can just solve like a normal equation. So I'm going to add 3 on both sides. So I have x plus 1 squared equals 3. So I'm going to square root both sides. So I have x plus 1 equals. Remember, when you square root 3, you get two answers, a plus and a negative. Therefore, x is going to equals to minus 1 plus minus 3. So please pause here and have a go at the next question. So the second example, remember when we want to solve a quadratic equation, we always need to put into this format ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then we can complete the square and solve. So let's rearrange the equation into our format. Minus 6x minus 4 equals 0. So remember, when a is not equals to 1, we need to factorize first. So let's take my 2 out. Then complete the square for what's inside my square bracket. So I have x minus, so half of 3 squared, then minus 3 over 2 squared minus 4 equals 0. Now expand your bracket. So remember, 3 over 2 squared is same as 3 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, which is equals to 9 over 4. So 2 multiplied by minus 9 over 4 will become minus 9 over 2. Minus 4 equals 0. Simplify it, so I have 2x minus 3 over 2 squared this is same as minus 27 over 2 equals 0. So now let's try to solve it. So plus 27 over 2 on both sides. Then divide by 2 on both sides. Then square root both sides. And finally, add 3 over 2 on both sides. So x equals 3/2 plus minus root